In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless video transition using Clipchamp. Whether you're piecing together personal moments or crafting a professional presentation, mastering transitions can elevate your entire project. So let's dive into the process and have some fun while at it. The first step in our journey is heading over to Clipchamp. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Clipchamp website. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to log in or create an account. Once you're in, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make video editing accessible and enjoyable. Now let's move on to the next important task, importing your media. Locate the Import Media button. It's hard to miss. This feature allows you to bring in the video clips you'd like to work with directly from your computer. Think of it as opening the door to your creative canvas. After clicking the button, navigate through your folders and select the videos you wish to edit. Clipchamp supports a variety of file formats, so you should have no trouble uploading your files. Once your media is uploaded, you will place your video clips into the editing panel. The timeline is your playground here. Drag and drop the selected clips into place and begin organizing them according to your vision. Don't worry if things aren't perfect at this stage. The beauty of editing is the freedom to experiment and make adjustments. Now let's talk about transitions. These special effects bridge the gap between your video clips, creating a more polished and coherent story. Click between the two video clips on your timeline where you'd like the transition to occur. You'll see an Add Transition option appear. When you click this, a range of transition effects will become available. Take a moment to explore these options, as each can dramatically change the feel of your project. Select the one that resonates with the mood you're aiming to create. After adding the transition, it's time to review your handiwork. Hit the play button to preview how your videos and your newly added transition flow together. This is your opportunity to make any final tweaks to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Pay close attention to timing. Sometimes a simple adjustment can make all the difference. And just like that, you've successfully merged your videos with a seamless transition. It's all about practice. The more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more confident you'll become in creating engaging content. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. Whether you're starting out or honing your skills, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.